Yes guys, welcome back to the channel guys, it's Director Vim here. So today I'm going to contact a few friends of mine. I'm not sure who I'm going to call yet. What we're going to basically do today is to ask them for money, which is not going to be less than 500. So anything more than 500, 600, any amount, but it needs to be more than 500 rand. So we're just going to pick up whoever is going to give me this money. We're going to give the money back with a 40% interest, same time, same spot. We just want to see who will be kind enough to give me the money. I mean, it's definitely going to be very few friends, if not any. So yes guys, let's get inside and then make some real calls, make some quick calls, and then see who is going to offer us the money without wasting my time. Let's go. JC. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to call JC right now, but his phone is unreachable, so I guess we have to try the second person. Hey guy, what's up?
Alpha.
Cool man, are you still at work or you off?
Yeah, I do work, but I can't close now.
Okay. Charlie, I go bump someone in car, man, so right now, like, the person said I must sort him out with something. Where right now I'm down, man. So I don't know if maybe you can lend me then when they pay me.
How much are you talking of?
I'm not sure. The guy just need me to sort it out. So I don't know how much you can get me then I can. With you, how much do you think you can help me with, like, to sort the guy out?
Guy, you know, say we just finished the pay bill, so I don't know how much you would need, so I want to know how much whether if it help or not, you understand?
Like maybe 1,500 or 2,000, I think I can sort him out.
When you need me to sort and stuff, you know?
We are on the roadside trying to sort things out now, so I don't know, maybe tonight or tomorrow morning, I don't know how quick.
One a big thing or a minor thing?
Like I just smashed his car. His car is very, very much damaged, but my own is still fine. So
just for now, I go gym, so just make I know what to do. Maybe I have to send you if I go gym.
All right, no problem. We'll talk then.
Sure.
So this guy, man, he has been a good friend since day one, guys. And this guy, even if I say 10,000, it's emergency. Hey, he's gonna send me. So right now, I'm just waiting. If he can send it, then I guess I'm going to have to give him the 40% of the amount that he gave me. So this is the first person. Let's just hope that he sends this money anytime from now. But before that, let's try the other person and see how it goes, guys. James Soko, when it comes to WhatsApp call, forget. You wait until you die. So let me call him normal call. Let me try the other number. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to try another person because James Soko's phone is unreachable. Okay, let's go, Gabriel. So this guy, I'm going to tell him that I'm in need of Hey guy.
What's up?
Hey cool man, why you answer call so quick, bruh? Hey man, I'm in big trouble, bruh.
What's up?
Let me call you back right now, please.
Okay.
So James Soko is calling now, guys. Hey guy.
Sure, good.
Hey, what's up? Are you sleeping, man? Hey, bro, I'm in a bit of a problem here, bro. I just bumped someone's car just now, bro. So right now I don't know. I just need to sort him out. I don't know if you can maybe help me with maybe 2K or 1K or something. Ish, man, like nothing, not even like 500 rand, Joe. Like, I'll sort you out, man.
The one I have, I'm even going to use it now.
These are the friends that we call it will end in tears. This one, you put your hopes on him, forget. Okay, so guys, let me call Gabriel and see what he's gonna say. Hey guys.
What's up?
Hey bro, I'm here by Fountains Valley, Joe. Hey man, I just bumped someone's car here, man. This guy is asking me to like sort him out with some rents, man. I don't know if like you can give me 2K or something just to sort him out. I'll sort you out later.
Now, when?
Fountains Valley, bro. I just bumped this nigga's car, bro. I don't know, but any amount, man, any amount. I just want to like sort him out so like this whole thing can just...
Can you come?
I can't come, man. I bumped his car. Like I need to, before I leave here, I need to like...
So what do you do? What do you want me to do? You want me to come that side?
I don't know if you like you can like deposit for me or something, any amount, then I can just sort him out, man.
Okay. To which account? Your bank account?
Yeah, the same one.
But how? Like instant deposit.
Yeah, which account are you with?
I'm using apps. I don't know even if I say instant it's gonna take long.
Ish. Okay, let me call you, man. Frank is also calling me. I'll call you back. Hey, guy.
Yeah. So what's the update?
Yeah, man, I'm still here with him trying to like make plans, man.
So na the 1.5 you go give him or what? How you go do him?
I don't know. If maybe I can sort him out with something, then I'll maybe with the rest I can contact him maybe some other time, and you see.
This thing na tough thing, oh.
Ish, man.
How the robot cause somehow?
Like I was in a lane traffic, so I mistakenly bumped him. It was not his fault, it was my fault. So I will explain more when I get to you, but right now I just need to find ways to...
Yeah, make I send you 1K, then you go know what you go do.
Okay, no problem, I'll wait.
Make I send them on your account.
Yeah, the same one. You have my account number.
Make I check my phone to whether I have you as a beneficiary.
Okay, sure. Not this ones that will tell you, hey, I got 300 rand for data. So yes, guys, I spoke with a couple of friends. Gabriel is willing to send me, but now Gabriel is on another bank, so even if he sends the money, it's gonna take a bit of time. So Frank Usman, the guy is on FMB, so he's going to make instant payment just now, and then if he clears the 1K, I'll send it back to him with 40% interest, man. So guys, let's wait for it, man. Wait, how much is 40% of 1K? Let me check. 40% of 1K, so 1,000 plus 40%. So which means I'm gonna give him 1,400. Just like that. You sent it.
I sent 1K.
Okay, let me check right now. Thanks, man.
Sure.
All right. That's crazy, man. The nigga just sent me like, what the, yo, man. Man, I got some good friends, man. So, yo, the guy just sent me the money just now. I don't know if you guys can see this, but he sent me 1K, man. So 1K, which means I'm going to have to give him 40% of the 1K. Wow. Wow. Okay, man. All right. So here's the proof of payment. There it is, guys. The first one. 1,000 rand just paid into the account, man. So now I'm gonna have to pay him back with 1,400. So from there I'm gonna have to call him and then tell him, yo, I was just joking, man. I don't even know how he's gonna take it. Why is not going through now? I actually want to call him video call. Because I think video call will be best. His WhatsApp is not working. Guy, I see your connection is offline. Can I call you video call?
No, Anna. Just take pictures.
Eh?
Just take pictures now.
Sure. I don't know why this thing is not working, man. Just hold on. Can you see?
It is sweet.
Can you see it?
I don't see anything, no.
Yeah, bruh. You know what the fuck happened, bruh? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing now?
Now me the laugh or now you the laugh?
Now you the laugh. So you know what happened, man? Like there was no accident, but there's no accident, bruh. So I'm doing a video, man. So whoever like helps in terms of the funds, man, I sent back the funds with 40% interest. So I just sent back the money, man.
You the juice.
No, check your phone if you receive the money, bro. So you really think I can bump someone?
Hey. Hey, I go break your
By the way, thanks a lot, bro. Thanks a lot, man.
I go break your
You will see yourself on YouTube. Yes, my cameraman. He said, you're already famous, bro. You will see yourself on YouTube. Thanks, man. I can't believe I took almost an hour to shoot this, man. But guys, thank you very much for watching, man. If you are new on the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video as well, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.
One look into